Hi friends, I am Jyotiba. I welcome you to my channel jkvlog. Today I am going to show you how to free up the space from the device. So let's get started. When you install a new update of Windows, it creates an existing system to store in a hard drive. Just we need to clean it out the old system. That's how we can free up the space of the PC. Now talking about the window, it doesn't harm your files or data. It just delete the old system. My old system contains 10 GB of data which can be cleaned. Now I am going to show you how to clean up the old Windows. Now just left click on the Windows scene and choose the option property. There you can see the option disk cleanup. Now click on that, it will start. Now a new window will pop up on which we have to select clean up the system. Now click on the clean up the system. After this, a new window pop up where you can see an option called Windows version and click on that and press OK. To clean up the space from the system, it may take an hour, so I have just skipped the videos. I hope this video will help you to free up your space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and comment on this video how it is.